Introducing the 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion brushless cordless jigsaw. It has a variable 6-speed control dial and delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. The no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces blade speed before it comes in contact with the workpiece for more accurate cutting starts. Convenience features include a large 2-finger trigger switch, a toolless blade change, built-in dual LED lights, and a heavy-gauge aluminum base. It has a compact and ergonomic design at 10.5 inches long and weighs only 5.8 pounds with battery. And with the efficient Makita brushless motor, you get longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The XV-J02 is compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, which have the fastest charge time in their categories. This tool is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
This RYOBI ONE+ brushless jigsaw is the perfect tool for cutting intricate curves, such as stencil designs, or other custom shapes into a piece of wood, metal, or other materials. RYOBI's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium plus battery technology to deliver up to 40% more runtime and 40% more power in a smaller saw. This jigsaw is packed with user-friendly features to give you the best control and accuracy. The variable speed dial allows you to change speed with a single hand while making cuts. An integrated LED light enhances visibility, while the blower keeps the cut line clear from sawdust to allow optimal accuracy. The 4-stage pendulum action controls how aggressively you need to cut your workpiece. 0 with no pendulum to 3 with maximum pendulum. In addition, you have the option to use the lock-on switch to keep the saw switched on, so you don't need to constantly hold the trigger. This is particularly handy when you need to make cuts from underneath the workpiece. The new base design incorporates aluminium die cast with an integrated base plate. This helps the jigsaw to maintain stability and accuracy for much longer. The optional base cover helps protect delicate material surfaces. With one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can cut up to 31 meters of 13mm plywood. This ONE+ brushless jigsaw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries or chargers. As part of the ONE+ system, with over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this saw will work with any ONE+ battery.
These are the BOSCH JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the foot plate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the BOSCH JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw.
When it comes to jigsaws, it's very difficult to beat the DEWALT DW317 Jigsaw. Now this is 701 watts of power, which in a jigsaw is very, very high. Extremely easy to use. You have the trigger switch just on the underside of the hand guard there. Fully adjustable speed, which is very, very handy because you can use it across all materials, everything from soft alloys right up to hardwoods. You've got the dust extraction. This comes in two methods. You have the blower, which is either switched on or off at the front there, which as you're cutting through something will actually push the light swarf out the way. The dust extraction system, which you just clip on there and lock into position. And this is universal across loads of DEWALT tools. To adjust the blade itself, you have three positions. Again, for which material that you're actually cutting through, you might find it's suitable. Normally on something like this, you'll just have it in an upright position. And the most important thing, obviously you've got the smooth base there, but swapping the blade couldn't be easier. This is an all metallic blade holding system, so there's no plastic parts in there at all. You just pull the front like that, slip your blade in to the housing, and then that's it locked into position. And when you come to swap your blade, if the blade's still hot, you just click it and it can fall out, so you don't need to touch it with your fingers. Common mistake from apprentices there. So we'll just drop that back in. Specs on, extraction on, we're ready to go. Look at that. Fantastic.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion jigsaw, model CJ18DGL-P4. Battery and charger sold separately. Hitachi sells this as a tool body only, so that it becomes even more affordable. If you already own a Hitachi tool or kit that comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type battery and charger, then you can easily add this to your Hitachi platform and get more bang for your buck. This cordless jigsaw is ideal for cutting shapes in various wood materials, cutting metals like mild steel, aluminum, and copper, cutting synthetic resin materials, as well as cutting stainless steel sheets. With a 45-degree cutting angle capacity, you can adjust the base plate to meet the application for more versatility. The tool is compatible with all Hitachi 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type batteries for fade-free power, less weight, and 3 times the total battery life of traditional nighthead batteries. The 18-volt variable speed motor delivers up to 2,400 strokes per minute for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 1-inch stroke length and features a 3-mode orbital action along with a straight cut setting to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change the blades. This cordless jigsaw accepts both T and U shank blades for added convenience and flexibility. A bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. Being only 4 pounds without a battery installed, it is lightweight to prevent user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the jigsaw handle absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting. On-tool blade storage that holds up to 6 blades keeps accessories close at hand when you need them. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, along with several accessories including 2 wood cutting blades, a metal cutting blade, and a hex bar wrench.